In today's video, I am going to teach you how to analyze ad campaigns in Hubspot. Begin by opening your Hubspot account. Once you are in, look to the bottom area of the left-hand navigation where you will see a three-dot menu. Select that three-dot option to open more tools. From that expanded menu, choose Marketing, and then select Ads. This takes you into the area where HubSpot organizes your connected ad accounts and the campaigns running through them. Next, move to the top section of the Ads tool and click the Analyze tab. The Analyze view is designed specifically for performance review, so it is the best place to evaluate results over time and compare outcomes across campaigns and accounts. Once you are in Analyze, set your date range. Choose a time frame that matches the decision you are trying to make. A shorter range can help you spot recent changes after a new launch or edit, while a longer range gives you a clearer sense of overall trends and performance consistency. Make sure you use a range that includes enough time for ads to collect meaningful data, especially if budgets are small or audiences are narrow. After setting the date range, select your ad accounts. This is important if you manage more than one platform or more than one account, because the results can change significantly depending on which accounts are included. Keep your selection focused when you want an accurate view of a specific channel, or broaden it when you want a combined summary across all connected accounts. Finally, review the campaign list in the Analyze section and click a campaign name to open its specific performance data. This is where you can focus on one campaign and evaluate how it performed within your chosen date range and selected accounts. When you do this consistently, it becomes easier to identify which campaigns are driving results and which ones may need adjustments. That covers everything you need to know.